Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account and how to shop. On the home page, click the Sign In and Register button and enter your username and password. Now that you are logged in, there are a few ways you can shop through the eStore. First, you can shop by products. You can find this on the navigation menu on the home page. Here, you can find all the product categories that Revere has to offer. Next, you can shop by brands. On this page, you can choose or search from over 400 different manufacturers we offer. Lastly, you can search by keyword or part number. For example, I need a circuit breaker. I know the part number starts with CHF, so I will type it in, and here it is. In the next video, I'll show you how to navigate the cart.